In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to a Notion page. Want to add PDFs to your Notion pages? Let me show you how in just a few clicks. First, open Notion on your desktop browser. Working in the browser keeps the upload process smooth and predictable, and it's a great way to make sure everything syncs correctly. If you already have Notion open, you're ready to go. Head to the page where you want the PDF to live. This might be a project dashboard, a documentation page, or a personal archive. Open that page and place your cursor where you want the file to appear. Notion will insert the file block right at your cursor, so choosing the spot now helps keep your content organized. To add the file block, you have two quick options. You can click the small plus button that appears when you hover near the edge between blocks, or type a / and the word File to bring up Notion's command menu. From that menu, select File. Choosing File tells Notion you're attaching a document directly, which is perfect for PDFs. If you see other options like embedding links, ignore those for now. File is the one we want. When the file block is created, click Upload. This tells Notion you'll provide a file from your computer instead of linking to an external source. It keeps everything in one place and ensures your teammates can access the exact document you intend. Next, choose your PDF from your computer. Navigate to the folder where it's saved, select the file, and click Open. Pick the version you're comfortable sharing. The displayed title in Notion will mirror the file name, which makes it easy to recognize later. Give Notion a moment to upload the document. You'll see a brief progress indicator. Keep the tab open while it finishes. Upload time depends on your connection speed and the size of the PDF, so larger files may take a bit longer. If you're uploading a hefty document, patience here pays off. Once the upload completes, the PDF will appear as a block on your page. Click it to view a built-in preview directly inside Notion, which is great for quick reference and scrolling through pages. If you need a copy on your device, use the download option from the preview to save it locally. From here, you can continue writing around the file, keeping your notes, tasks, and the source document neatly together on the same page. Now your PDF is in Notion and ready to use. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tips.